Hi everyone. Today we are going to have a quick update on three pharma stocks that are looking strong from a technical perspective. Now remember, although it's a technical view, it's not a very short-term outlook, let's say a day or a week, but we are looking at a slightly longer-term duration, that is 3 months to 6 months. And the reason is we have mainly used higher time frame charts to pick these stocks. Nifty Pharma as a sector is overall looking very strong on price charts, and while there are many good pharma companies, when we dig a little deeper, we realize that not all the pharma stocks have equally good potential to give upside from the current levels. The reason being, some of the pharma stocks have already moved up too far too fast in the last 1 year, making them a little overbought technically and also a little expensive fundamentally. So here we have made a list of stocks which, although have moved quite a bit in the last 1 year, but they still have a lot of potential to deliver good returns in the coming months. The return potential that we are targeting in these stocks is in the range of 30 to 50%. The first stock, Sun Pharma. The current price of the stock as of the 21st of May is around 690. The stock is in a very strong uptrend on weekly and monthly chart. In the short term, it did have a strong resistance around 680, 690 levels. However, if we really look at the longer term picture, that is monthly and quarterly, the resistance of 680, 690 doesn't look like a big hindrance. The best price to look at the stock would be anywhere in the range of 630 to 600. What we like about it is Bollinger Bands are showing possible upside on quarterly and half yearly chart, and there is a nice positive crossover on MACD, which is increasing the probability of stock picking up momentum. The second one is Lupin. Lupin too has picked up momentum and is poised for a very strong up move on the weekly and monthly charts. Unlike Sun Pharma, Lupin does not have any major resistance in the near term, which makes the stock good even at the current price. Lupin broke out of a major resistance area of 1100 on 5th of May 2021. Now this broken resistance will now prove to be a very strong support on the stock. Add a little more if the stock slips to the levels of 1100 in the near future. The quarterly and half yearly Bollinger Bands are well placed and are promising a strong upside in the months to come. Moreover, the icing on the cake is the RSI on the quarterly chart is around 55 to 60, which shows that technically the stock has much more room to go up before it becomes overbought. The third one, Gland Pharma. Now, as compared to the other two stocks, Gland Pharma has limited history on price charts as the stock is recently listed. However, this is the only stock in our picks which, although we are bullish on technically, we are going to exercise some patience. The stock has gone up from 2500 to 3500 in a very short term and thus has become a little overbought on charts. The last couple of weeks candles also show some bearishness with long upper wicks, which is a little bit of worry in the short term. The momentum indicator RSI was also above 75, which is also suggesting a small correction. We prefer to look at the stock once it cools down to around 2600 to 2700 levels in the short term. You can see the 26-2700 level is nicely coming in between the 20 and 50 moving average, and historically, whenever the stock has come in this band, it has really gone up to make a new high. With that, friends, thank you very much. We hope you enjoyed this quick update on the pharma stocks, and I look forward to see you soon. Thank you. Look at